Carrie Underwood has given birth to her second child. The country singer, who already has a 3-year-old son called Isaiah with husband Mike Fisher, has revealed on social media that she has given birth to her latest child, Jacob Brian Fisher. Alongside a photo of herself and her new arrival, Carrie wrote on Twitter that Jacob entered the world in the wee hours of the morning on Monday. Carrie also added that the family couldn't be happier for God to trust them with taking care of this little miracle, and that their lives are forever changed. Carrie also shared some behind-the-scenes shots of baby Jacob getting some loving cuddles from Mike and Isaiah. Meanwhile, Carrie previously admitted her pregnancy was great news after she suffered from 3 earlier miscarriages during a 2-year time period. The Love Wins hitmaker was so thankful when she found out that Isaiah was going to have a baby brother, especially since it took them a while to get there. If you like and subscribe to our videos, there's a chance your favorite celebrity will follow you on Twitter. We can't prove that, but we're saying there's a chance.